Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the annoying problem in BlueStacks. BlueStacks Cannot Start as a hardware assisted virtualization is disabled on your PC. Enable it from your BIOS. So this is one of the easiest fix we can do for BlueStacks by accessing the BIOS settings of our system. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. First of all, make sure to check whether the virtualization is enabled or disabled on your system. On Windows search, type cmd and go to the Windows command prompt and type there systeminfo.exe. Then you have to scroll it down. There you will see virtualization enabled in firmware. That is no, means that is disabled. So now we are going to enable it on our system BIOS settings. So depending upon your system settings, right now I am on HP system. The key to enter BIOS settings in my system is F10. Your PC may have a different key to access the BIOS settings, so make sure you have to check it first on internet. Put your system on restart. Before system fully load, go to the BIOS settings, then you need to go to the security settings, then go to the system security. Here you can see virtualization technology VTX is disabled. You have to enable it and then accept these settings. Then you have to save the changes and exit. After restart, simply open your BlueStacks. Now you can see the problem has been resolved. The BlueStacks has been launched properly. In this way, we can fix this annoying problem in BlueStacks. Hope you like this video. For more tech videos, don't forget to subscribe channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.